Ooh, oh yeah. Ooh, this is just for fun. Oh, 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 beautiful, scary eyes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Different scene. Backwards. Backwards. It's backwards. It's backwards. It's backwards. It's backwards. It's backwards. It's backwards. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah. Just for fun. Oh, there's a 50-50 chance that I might be going to my brother-in-law's house tomorrow. It depends on how he feels. He's supposed to call at 9:30 tomorrow morning. If he feels okay, then I guess I'm going. If he doesn't feel okay, then I guess I'm staying home. My shoulder still hurts. But I told you, Margie TV, I told you I was wearing red. I saw you wearing red. And I said, hey, she's wearing red. I was like, I'm wearing red. What are the odds? But what color of shorts are you wearing? Were you wearing black or were you wearing blue? That's the question. You know, two movies come to mind when I hear this. Ferris Bueller's Day Off and The Secret to My Test. Does anybody else know another movie this song was in? I can't think of anyone. Just those two. If you can think of another movie, leave a comment down below. Oh yeah. Oh, I know. I thought I would take a chance, you know. So, let's see what happens. I actually want to play the next one. The next one's even better. On the top. This is a challenge. If I get cut off, I'll just see you in my next upload. Probably tomorrow, maybe Sunday. I don't know. If you leave, I won't cry. Please don't take my heart away. I will sing, 'cause I'm lonely. Separate ways. We'll sing. Oh, and dearest. I read off the notifications. So gonna make it last. Touch you once, touch you twice. I'll let go, I'll live advice. Need you now, like I need you then. Always said we'll see.